ready.
Hello. What's her name? Okay. Alright. What's we gonna make today?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. What do we need for cappuccino?
We need coffee and milk.
Okay, so we will do here. Okay. So we're gonna take coffee, right? The ground coffee. Okay. We'll do a little bit. Are you excited? Okay. This is your first time making coffee?
Yep.
Alright, after you make coffee, you'll say to your friends, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty. I will just damp here a little bit. And then, okay. Then, can you press one more time here? Press it to make sure everything, okay, press again. Now hold on. Press again. Wait. I will put this here.
Now?
Not nice, huh? Okay. Can you put this right here and press again? Press. Okay, take this out. Okay. Wait. I will tell you. You have to have 1 shot of espresso, okay? This is called espresso. Okay. Yes. It should be 1 ounce. Wait a minute. Okay.
Now?
What do you call this? Espresso.
Now?
Right. Wait. Okay. Stop. Very good. Now what we'll do is we'll pour this espresso. You can hold for me. Alrighty. Good, right? Smell? Okay. Now what we need? We need milk. Can you check if this is working? Good. Very good. So now I'll tell you to on it. Okay. Keep there. And this is steaming milk. Okay. We need to go till 150. Okay, leave it now. Very good. And this is here.
Now it's hot, right?
Yes. I do not have towel for a moment. Okay. Now, do you want to pour it?
Yep.
Okay, let me.
I know that I would not be scared of hot.
Okay. Hold this here. One hand. This is not hot. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, here. Alright. Okay, then you will pour it. Okay?
Oh, is that hot?
Let's see. I will make you a heart. Hold on. Here. All the way like this. Yes. Alrighty.
Now?
So what do you call this?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. Alright, here we go. Thank you.